Yes, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon to all. So, dear students, today I told you that I will be taking the revision of 30. Just wait 1 minute. That is lesson number 13 and 14, isn't it? Because 11 and 12, in any reason, just we have done the revision so far, but we will be taking. But before that, first lesson number 13 and 14. Okay, clear to all? So now in this lesson, that is lesson number 13, that is motion and time. Okay, in this lesson, mainly all the uh, problems or all the questions will be only numericals. Understood? So, like as it is given already in the exercise also, mainly all of them are based on numericals. That is whether it is MCQ or whether it is 2 mark question or 3 mark question. So these are all based on the that is numericals. So remember that. Is it clear? So in this lesson, because it is the numerical one, so here revision में 2-3 जो questions रहेंगे, that I will post it in the group, that is in the Google Classroom. You have to just solve it and give the answers. Now for lesson number 14, okay, lesson number 14, that is electric current and its effects. So these questions I am going to ask you. Just keep your don't keep your notes ready, don't see this. Okay, so now first tell me, what is a cell? What is a cell? Students, anybody, you can just type it and tell me what is a cell. What you understand by the word cell? Yes, students, I want the answer very fast. See, again, don't take much time. Yes, what is, who is writing this? Anushka. You have to log in with your name only. Combination of 2 or more battery are called cell. ये तो सब उल्टा हो गया. Anybody else again? I have asked, what is a cell? What is a cell? Cell have positive terminal and negative terminal. Okay. Anybody else again? Cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of the Iram. I am asking cell for this lesson, that is electric current. Electric current में से मैं पूछ रही हूँ. So are you getting my point, Iram? Okay. So students, Santosh is again correct. Cell is a, yes. Anybody else here? Like a cell has a negative and positive terminal. It is used as a source of energy. Correct. So it is a small substance which is used as a source of energy, which gives the energy to the circuit of the electric whatever the things which we are using, and it has 2 terminals. ये याद रखना, this is very very important. So cell has 2 terminals always. The one is positive and the other one is negative. Is it clear? Now tell me, what is incomplete circuit? What is incomplete circuit? Yes, students, write down what is incomplete circuit. Can you write? Okay. What is incomplete circuit? What is it? Yes, Rishi is writing switch is in the off position. Ira is writing when the switch is in off position. Correct. Yes, anybody else again? Some other type you want to write? So when it is off, it is called as incomplete. Santosh is writing incomplete circuit means when the switch is off. Yes, Ishan is also writing the circuit when the current doesn't flow. Correct. So when it doesn't flow, Shardul is writing when the circuit doesn't flow, it is known as incomplete circuit. When the wire are not connected, okay, yes, correct. So all the examples, all the definitions are correct for incomplete circuit. तो जब connection complete नहीं रहता है, यानी कि when the flow is not there, current or electric flow is not there, or when the connection is not proper, then also it is called as incomplete circuit. So students, have you understood now? Then next, tell me what components are important for the electric circuit? What components are necessary for the electric circuit? Simple. Tell me what components are necessary for electric circuit, to the simple electric circuit. कौन बताएगा? Write down. Yes. So here, starting with LIs, bulb, cell, wire, and switch. Correct. Bulb, cell, switch, wire. Again correct. Battery, wire, switch, and bulb. So bulb we need. See, actually bulb is needed to see whether the circuit is on or off. Actually, okay. So these four things are very very important: wire, cell, bulb, and the switch. Understood, everyone? Correct. So yes, correct, students. It is very much correct. Now just listen carefully. So do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating the plastic bags from a garbage heap? And you can explain. Yes. Tell me why. Yes or no. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating the plastic bags from the garbage heap? You can just explain why. Yes or no. Why? Yes, Shardul, correct. So no. And the reason is because plastic is not a magnetic material. Plastic is not a magnetic material. Janvi is saying no because the magnet pulls only iron metals. So iron metals nahi, they are called magnetic materials. Understood? Understood. What are the magnetic materials? Can you give the examples? कौन से हैं magnetic materials? Can you tell me? Yes, Iram, correct. Now, what are the magnetic materials? Yes, alloys, nickel, iron, and cobalt. Correct. Cobalt, nickel, iron. Okay. So these are the magnetic material. Cobalt. It is cobalt. 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 Iron, cobalt, and nickel. Okay. Good. Next. Next question. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give the reason. While repairing the fuse, the the mechanic want to, or the electrician wants to repair, so he's using one piece of wire, by a piece of wire. So do you agree? The fuse is replaced by a piece of wire. Can you agree this? Yes or no? Okay, Santosh is saying no, it is not a wise idea to replace fuse by a piece of wire, as it has very low melting point. Correct. So Alice is also saying no, because if the wire is overloaded, we won't know that, and there are chances of short circuit. Correct. So Shardul is saying no, it is not a wise idea to do so. Why? Because it is not meant for the fuse. Some of the wires, they are only meant for the fuse. They are called as fuse wire. They are particularly called as fuse wire. Understood, students? Yes. So here Rutuja is saying no. A normal wire is of copper. A fuse wire must have a low melting point so that it can melt and break in case of excessive current. Correct. So this point is clear to all. That means a fuse wire is having low melting point. इसका मतलब ही क्या है? What is the meaning? Fuse wire is having low melting point. ताकि जल्दी ही वो मेल्ट हो जाए और जल्दी ही क्या हो जाए, मेल्ट होकर यस एक्सेसिव करंट फ्लो होना बंद हो जाए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट. Subeda made an electric circuit using a cell holder. So when she put the switch in the on position, the bulb did not glow. So can you tell me why the bulb did not glow? जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है जुबेदा का, उसमें she is putting all her components properly. Why does not the bulb glow? So what is the possible defects in the circuit? Possible defects कौन से है बताओ. Yes, students, bulb क्यों नहीं जला होगा? Button may be off. Then Rutuja is saying the cell may not be placed correctly. Then or possibilities batao. Yes, Shardul is saying the connection wire would be loose or the filament of the bulb may be broken. Yes, Ira is saying wire may be loose. Correct. So LIC is saying she must have connected positive terminal with positive or negative terminal with negative. हाँ, सो कनेक्शन जो है पॉजिटिव निगेटिव गलत हो गया है शायद, या फिर बल्ब फ्यूज है, मतलब फिलामेंट उसका ब्रेक हो गया है, या वायर लूज है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दीज आर द 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज विच कैन हैपन. तो जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी घर में जाती है, चली जाती है, उस समय पर भी बहुत सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज होती हैं. कभी घर का फ्यूज चला गया हो, या कभी लाइट फ्यूज हो गया हो, या कभी ओवरलोड हो गया हो, शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया हो, लाइक दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Yes, students. So 15 minutes are over. Now for other 15 minutes, just I will share the link with you. Just wait. Students, just wait. Huh? Students, just wait. I am. Just I am sharing you the link. Yes. So this is the link. You can start. I can see here online because this is only the YouTube, not the OBS. So you can't see, but I can see those who are starting. Yes, join fast. Yes, still so many students are here. 15 students are here. They have to start. 15 students are still here. Now 13. All should go to the quiz, live quiz. Start it. सभी को जाना है. Yes, 23 students. सभी के सभी आना है. Still 10 students are there. सबको आना है. Quiz means everyone has to come for the quiz and they have to play. Everyone. Only 25 students are over. 30 तो भी होनी चाहिए. What about others? Yes, students, start the quiz. So only 25 students have joined till now. जो नहीं रहेंगे उनको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे फिर लास्ट में, याद रखना. So 26 students. Okay, let us start now. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Yes, students. Here is the question. If you replace the paper clip with a plastic spoon, what happens? The bulb doesn't light, the bulb is dimmer, the wires get hot, there is no change. A series circuit has dash path. Yes, students. in the leaderboard. K. Mahalakshmi have not started. Mahalakshmi, what happened? You had to start. Come on. Santosh. Yes. Yes, students. So, last 2 minutes I am giving you. Okay. Yes, I know that you have finished. Some of them have finished. So let us start now. I will end so that we will know the rank holders. Okay. Okay. So I will end the quiz. So yes, you can see that now. Just I will do one thing. Yes, students here. So the first Shardul Bhatkar, second Adamya, then third Yuvraj, fourth Ira, fifth is Alice, sixth Harsh Masale, seventh Garima, eighth Janvi, ninth Bhavya, and tenth is Rajkumar. So this is how they have performed in this quiz. Okay, students, is it clear? Also, I have pasted this one, that is attendance link. Also, you can go through that. And for tomorrow, that is for tomorrow, lesson number 11. Okay, lesson number 11, and for 13, because it is also this one, if we are ending it fast, then you prepare lesson number 13 also. MCQs I will be giving you tomorrow, lesson number 13 and lesson number 11. Okay, 11 and 13. Understood, students? Have you understood this one? Lesson number 11 and lesson number 11 and 13. So this one is here. Once again, those who have not clicked to the attendance link can go for that. Okay. So thank you, students. Tomorrow I told you lesson number 11 and 13. Yes, so both दो lessons के quiz होंगे यहाँ पर. Okay. And also I will be asking you the questions. So be prepared for that. Understood? Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.